Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to find comment history on TikTok. It's very easy. So the first step to take guys is to open your TikTok application and then head to your TikTok profile. After that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then go to settings and privacy. From here you just have to scroll down and you'll find activity center option. Tap on it, and then you get all these options: the watch history, comment history, search history, and manage post visibility option. So go ahead and click on comment history and you see all your comment history. So guys, this is how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more. Thanks for watching guys.